AI tools that can help you manage your budget and actually get rich. Ever looked at your bank account and thought, wait, where did all my money go? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most 20 somethings are bleeding cash and don't even realize it. But what if I told you? A few AI tools could actually change your financial future. AI tools to budget smarter in 2025. If you're between 18 and 30, living in the US, and dreaming of that soft life, traveling, stress free bills, financial freedom, then this video is for you. Because let's face it, if you don't control your money now, your money will control you. And trust me, debt collectors don't send just checking in texts. That $8 coffee isn't what's stopping you from building wealth, but buying it 37 times a month might be. Stick around because the last AI tool on this list, it's something 90% of people aren't using, but millionaires swear by it. Let's jump in. These four AI tools will not only help you manage your budget, they'll reprogram your financial brain. Clio, the sassy AI BFF for your wallet. Clio isn't just an app. She's a financial hype woman and brutal truth teller. She uses AI to analyze your spending, roast you when you overspend, with memes, yes, and show you where to cut back without sounding like your dad. But hey, sometimes you don't want sass. Sometimes you want peace, automation, and goals. 2. YNAB, you need a budget. AI that builds your future. YNAB doesn't just track your money, it assigns every dollar a job. It's like giving your cash a mission in life. The AI learns your patterns and helps you plan month to month and avoid lifestyle creep. Now, if that still sounds too manual for your Gen Z brain, don't worry, I got you. 3. Copilot, the minimalist powerhouse. Copilot is like Apple's brainchild for money. Sleek, AI-powered, auto-categorizing every transaction, it literally learns what you value and adjusts your budget for you. Imagine budgeting, but sexy. But none of that matters if your mindset is stuck in survival mode. Number, MindFi, for mental wealth. Budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's emotional. MindFi uses AI to guide your money mindset. Daily check-ins, spending anxiety coaching, and positive habits. This app helps you get rich from the inside out. Act T3, Resolution and Empowerment, 4 to 5. Here's the truth. Managing money doesn't make you boring. It makes you dangerous. Because once your budget is automated and aligned with your goals, you stop surviving and start building. The rich, they use data, they use leverage, they use asterisk AI asterisk. So why shouldn't you? You don't need to be a spreadsheet samurai. You just need the right tools and the right mindset. If you're serious about leveling up financially this year, your next step is simple. Watch this video right here. 5 financial mistakes to avoid in your 20s. It's the stuff I wish someone had told me earlier. The best investment? It's not stocks. It's not crypto. It's you. Let's build that wealthy life, starting today.